wanted to talk about it responsibly. I don't want to discourage people from getting vaccines. And strangely, I don't really want to discourage them from getting this one.
Jennifer Gibson ibalshim ni ketika bat padang keluit nak perkat ban light no nak jepte mrau jong nak jingpang corona dan covid kat khandai repose ni kenik long kami na po Toronto Canada hadin artayo club ka shem ha kapit hayet.
Morning I was just looking and I thought, gosh, something is weird with my face, and I thought, whatever, I slept funny, no big deal. And by the end of the day, my husband even, I was asking him, like, this is weird now. And even with kindness, he had to say, yes, it was.
Kumtai Jennifer la mere wood ban lek kendu si doktor bat la batai bai la yo ikne Bell's palsy la ne ka facial paralyzed.
When they said Bell's palsy, it's, you know, devastating to look at half your face being paralyzed, but the little that I knew of Bell's palsy, I thought people don't die from that. So the fact that it wasn't something that I was going to not be around for my daughter later, you know, it's dealable. It sucks, but it's dealable.
Kumtai Jennifer la ring video bat pen I la ne share hapo ke social media ko Instagram check perlok bat pesha bat pen I kan jing kta jong ka dawai.
Wanted to get back to real life, and I have friends who are fighting cancer and they can't get their treatments.
Katnat jong ka koi ka khia hapo Canada Hadien bakal track ya ka record na po jong ka data ka website kala bahadu shispa lai phoi case la ne kidayo ya kan jing pang. Kani ka vaccine ka debla approved da government but ka jing ay kani ka vaccine ka long ban wan ra biang ka jing suk ber ka jing shngan ban yo ban lej ban wan kulut ku ba jolong ka por ki sngi ka balada but ka ay ka bangi yo I ka kum ka record ka ban sham na ka thup ka jing wat jing tep ka long ba kani ka dawai ka kata om ya baro hynrei katu kat ningut na padang kispa ngut la ne teng jong ki hajar but ka jing kata jong kani ka dawai ka long ba hadin ar hadu hynrei banai but kasyong ru ka jing climb bat ka jing klod jong ka met brew kidon ru kumbang yo I hani Jennifer kadai tang hadin katu kan sngi pat.
It's just like the worst nightmare I can ever imagine.
Nang tai ni Brandy Parker ibam la shu ban khi la ne watang ban hiar na jing thia.
No, I can't walk. Less than
Hadin bil adap ai ke inject ka baar tang hadin ar phau sau kan ta ka panlong I be nom la shu watang ban khi la ne long paralyzed baro kway kamet.
because I'd already had COVID, but I never in a million years thought I would never be able to get up and go to the bathroom or get up and walk to the other side of the room or
Kani ka long kami ka don lai ngut ki khun bat manta ka khuslai la kan bang yo na me ka jing ko jing khia ban yo pet bat sumar biang yala ka jong ki khun ka jing yaram yo kan sapreng ni ka di yo kam de ka jing man toy tang nga hynrei kan long ka jing man toy ka ba I bat hon jong phi ba kin tip ya ka jing shisha khublai shibun